Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shruti and I create content on fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. For today's video, we'll talk about 5 habits that changed my life and how it can change yours as well. And then we'll talk about how I make sure that I am sticking to this habit, what I am doing to make sure that ये habits तो मुझे follow करने ही है for the entire day. And without any further ado, let's get started right into the video. So first, let's talk about my 5 habits that have changed my life entirely. The first habit that changed my life in n number of ways is drinking water right after I get up. So I basically drink a hot water with honey and lemon, and trust me, and it's the best time of the day that I spend with myself. So drinking water after getting up in the morning has definitely changed the entire game for me. Like my entire day revolves around that drinking water. Drinking water, a lemon water, lemon and honey water will help you in managing your weight loss, making your skin glow, maintaining your gut health. You will feel fresh right in the morning, and these everything will help you to get productive. Make sure you also establish a habit of drinking water right in the morning. It's so good for your health. But if you are someone जिसको बहुत बोर होता है drinking water right in the morning, then make it exciting. Mix chia seeds in it, mix lemon, mix cucumber, summer चल रहा है, mix mint leaves in it, and then you won't find it very boring drinking the same lemon water every day if you just zazz up a bit. The next habit that I have built over time is my skincare routine. I don't know who needs to hear this. If you are 15, if you are 20, you are 25, you are 30, you are 35, no matter what age you are, no matter आपने पिछले 10 साल, पिछले 15 साल अपनी लाइफ के क्या किए, starting today, build a skincare habit. Do not sleep without washing your face. आपने मेकअप नहीं किए होंगे, you wouldn't have done makeup, but still I would say go ahead and just wash your face. Pollution itni hai, dirt, grim, dust itne hai. Just make sure you're washing your face, and even if you're so super tired to even follow a nighttime skincare routine, just go ahead and apply a moisturizer right after cleaning your face. This would help you immensely. And even for the daytime, before stepping out, make sure you are washing your face again first thing in the morning, जो maximum सब लोग करते ही होंगे, and apply a sunscreen and a moisturizer. If you are very lazy to apply 2 products, buy a moisturizer and sunscreen together. There are a lot of companies who are making a moisturizer and sunscreen, and just use it and you are done. But make sure you apply a sunscreen daily before stepping out. ये जो आपके सारे future concerns है ना skin के, everything will be solved. Build your basic skincare routine today. So I have created a video on my morning and my night skincare routine. If you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and watch it. I'll link it here. Doing my skincare has helped me a lot. So now my skin feels good, so that I am more confident in front of everyone. 2 years back, I used to have a lot of acne all over here, and what I used to feel was underconfident. I do not wanted to meet anyone then. I do not want to go outside, step out of my house. So I know that आपकी face plays a major role in your confidence. So do not do that. Always, always, always take care of your skin. Take care of yourself in general. These habits that I'm talking today is doing nothing but helping you to be a better person. My third habit that have changed me completely as a person is doing yoga. So basically not doing just yoga, being active and doing some sort of exercise. So I won't say कि आप भी start कर दो yoga करना. Just like, I'm not saying that. If that's not something you can do, make sure at least you're walking 10,000 steps daily. Make sure you're physically active. And doing this walk / yoga / exercise every day, you will feel so energetic, so good about yourself, and then you will end up being more productive throughout the day, and that will immensely help you moving forward, being a better version of yourself. Sometimes back even I started my yoga class, and trust me, this is the best I feel, like always. Like this is just so good. The next habit that I have incorporated in 2023 that have changed my life entirely is, if I have to do something that will take 2 minutes or for that matter 5 minutes, ये नंबर आपके लिए कोई भी नंबर हो सकते हैं. So when I started with 2 minutes. If there is anything that can be done in 2 minutes, I used to just get up and do it right then. So right now same habit का थोड़ा altered version है. If there is anything that I can do in 5 minutes, then I would just get up and do it. For that matter, for example, if I have a cup here, I have just drank a coffee और मैंने cup यहाँ रख रखी है. If it will take less than 2 minutes or 5 minutes, then I'll just go and put it in the sink. Which means कि मैं अपने स्पेस को क्लीन रख रही हूँ. मोस्ट ऑफ द चीज़ क्लटर ऐसे ही होता है. मैंने जूते यहाँ खोल दिए, मैंने चप्पल वहाँ खोल दिया, सो इससे आपका घर भर रहा है. But it won't take even 2 minutes to keep shoe at its place, a chappal at its place. So this is something that I have incorporated in my life, that if there is something that can be done in 2 minutes, I will do it right then and there. Like no matter what. This is my rule. This is something I started doing in 2023. And if you want to feel productive throughout the day, this is something you should start it. I won't say start with 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Start with 2 minutes, be it 1 minute. अगर इस काम में 1 minute भी लग रहा है तो मैं इस काम को अभी करूँगी, no matter what. And see your life changing like this. Moving on to the next one. The next one is definitely skipping from phone scrolling. I know I am guilty of phone scrolling. I know you are guilty of phone scrolling. हम दिन भर reels देखते रहते हैं. Reels इतने entertaining है, हम करेंगे भी क्या? We have to watch it on Instagram, YouTube, now even Facebook. So I have built a habit of, at night before sleeping, I do not even touch my phone. What I do is, instead of watching reels on my phone, I like to read a book. Right now I'm reading this, The Courage to be Disliked. It's a very good self-help book which will help you again be a better person, be a better version of yourself. रात को सोने से पहले I read for 1 hour. And we all know when we were kid and when we used to start studying or reading something, we used to feel sleepy so early. So yeah, you will get sleepy, you will sleep, and that will help you to get up early next morning. Otherwise आप रात को 1 बजे 2 बजे तक फ़ोन स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो, नेक्स्ट डे सुबह लेट उठ रहे हो, then there is no point of building all these habits. This won't come. You will be lazy, like, oh, आज तो 10 बजे उठे, आज तो 11 बजे उठे. So this is basically, if you just take your phone away, just decrease your screen time a bit, just keep your phone away at night and start reading a book. There is nothing like that. So now let's talk about कि ये तो 5 habits मैंने बता दी that you should incorporate in your life to make you a better version of yourself, and that 5 habits that have changed my life. But next 2-3 points is something that I'll talk about, how to make sure that you have these habits on place. I mean, like you didn't get up every time and like, okay fine, आज yoga नहीं करते, okay fine, आज skin care नहीं करते. So this will talk about how you can make sure that you are following your habits consistently. The one trick that I follow is habit stacking. I don't know how many of you will relate, but habit stacking is something that is like super easy to build. I'll give you a bit of example over here. So when I go to washroom, I am brushing, and after brushing I have to I'll wash my face, and right after I wash my face I go with my skincare. So this is called habit stacking. एक हैबिट जो आप ऑलरेडी करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप तो डेफिनेटली ब्रश करते ही होंगे सुबह, तो अगर आप अपने ब्रशिंग पे एक हैबिट स्टैक कर दो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्किन केयर करना, या फॉर दैट मैटर आपके लिए नहाना, कि आप ब्रश करने के बाद बाथरूम से बिना नहाए नहीं निकलोगे. सो स्टैकिंग अ हैबिट ऑन ईच अदर will really help you to follow the other one, the one which you are not following, right? So just try this habit stacking one. This has really helped me in becoming what I am right now, and it might help you as well. Second is dedicate every place to do thing. Like, make your mind to understand that bed is for sleeping, this sofa is for watching TV, this chair is for sitting and reading a book might be. So basically the trick is, make sure your brain knows that if you are at this place you have to study, if you are at this place you have to do skincare, if you are at this place you have to work, for that matter. The another trick that I follow to make sure I am following my habit is, I really likes to make my habit easy. So for that, let's give you an example. मैंने क्यों बोला कि रात को स्किन केयर में मैंने आपको 10 स्टेप्स नहीं बताया. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, जस्ट गो अहेड, वॉश योर फेस एंड अप्लाई अ मॉइस्चराइजर. Just 2 steps and you are done. Even in the morning I'm just saying you apply a moisturizer which has both moisturizer and sunscreen. Again you are done. So make it very easy so that you won't feel ki now I have to do 10 steps of skincare, so let's do one thing, let's not do at all. My last tip for you to make sure you build an habit and follow it is to build a scorecard. For example, something like this. This is a scorecard for December 2023. That's why it's empty, and I do not want to show you my scorecard. Can you see there are these boxes where you can tick and cross? So for example, you have written exercise and then you're crossing it every day. So at least now you will be guilty about it कि आपने सोचा था that you will exercise for like 30 days straight and you didn't do that. For that, create a scorecard. No need of buying something like this. Just use a notebook. Write your habit that you want to follow, write the dates of the month and just tick, not tick if you have followed it, if you have not followed it, so that at the end of the month you will have a clear visibility if you did that or no. But this would be the last. Otherwise what would happen, you have all no, then you'll be like, okay fine. So that's why this is the last. Start with the first one, that habit stacking, assigning a proper place to do something, and then the scorecard. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you really liked it and you have found the one habit that you should implement this year. Do not wait for the new year to start a new habit. You should start from tomorrow. Tomorrow is the new day. If you need more motivation, then you can start it from Monday. Like tomorrow would be the Monday. This video will go live on a Sunday, so tomorrow is the Monday. So just start your habit that you want to start from tomorrow and just stack it on something. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, and let me know if how you like the video. And with that, bye bye. Thanks for watching this till the very end if you are still watching, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.